Well, good morning. The foundation guys are here now. So, when they did it last, this was actually level. So this back wall is moving. They're fixing the stairs in the back patio, and Charlie doesn't like that there's strangers here. So we're gonna make my grandma's candy today. Looky there! They fixed it! Not sure if you can see, but that is how much they raised the patio. That's insane. It had fallen a lot. So we're gonna make my grandma cookies candy recipe today. I say it's my grandma's Christmas candy, but I think everybody's grandma makes this candy. It's so easy. It's just some almond bark, some white almond bark, some peanut butter, some peanuts, marshmallows, and some Rice Krispie cereal. So I'm not using Rice Krispies, I'm gonna use some Cocoa Pebbles. Let's get started.
Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Holiday couldn't be here sooner. Holiday for family and friends. And we've got pine tree, pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner.
See, super simple. I've got my little candy here, and yes, I did that from memory. I honestly have no idea what the measurements are. Let's see if it tastes any good. Just like I remember. That's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.